Hey guys, it's Warren here, and here is how to make a really simple batter. It's the sort of thing you'd use in Yorkshire puddings, savoury pancakes and things like that. It's super simple to prep, here's how to make it. Firstly, take 125 grams of plain flour, pour it into a mixing bowl, then crack in 1 large egg. Next, pour in a dash of milk that's been taken from 300 millilitres of semi-skimmed milk, then using a whisk, start mixing these ingredients together. Now the mixture will start turning thick, and as it does, gradually add more milk in whilst whisking. And doing it this way by slowly adding milk whilst whisking means you'll be left with a batter that's silky smooth with no lumps. And then once you've finished pouring all 300 millilitres of milk into the bowl, your batter's ready, and you can simply refrigerate for later or use it in any of your favourite recipes straight away. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, plus you can check out some recipes you can use this batter in by tapping on one of the videos on screen.